Rail vehicles are currently in demand. That is once again also shown at the Innotrans 2010 in Berlin. This globally leading biannual trade show thus excels in every aspect. With 2,242 exhibitors from 45 countries, the event is mandatory for the world of rail transport technology. The exhibit space has been extended by some 20% to more than 870,000 square feet, and well over 100,000 attendees from 110 countries, including all renowned rail managers and transport ministers, make Innotrans the summit of the international rail industry. 121 new vehicles, including many world premieres, are presented on the fully booked 2-mile-long rail track. Innovative inclination technology and aerodynamically sophisticated concepts for high speed and many models for local and short distance transport aim to make traveling by train even faster, more comfortable and reliable. Multiple unit trains thus compete with locomotives and carriages for visitors' attention. Freight and shunting traffic is also comprehensively represented here. And you can't forget the topic of railway line, construction, modernization and maintenance of track, power supply and control technology constitute a major part of the presentations. It's good to know that some important and major manufacturers from Germany with a claim to market leadership and high technology are represented here in particular. In addition to the comprehensive presentation in the outdoor area, Siemens also has 2 other booths in the corresponding themed areas of the halls. From the faithful mock-up to the presentation of new models and concepts, the group is once again underlining its claim here as a competent full-service provider when it comes to mobility. In addition, there is a whole number of so-called hidden champions and specialists that are somewhat less well known among the general public, but without whom modern rail transport would be inconceivable today. In addition to infrastructure suppliers, various service providers and vehicle equipment manufacturers, particularly the industry for drive and chassis technology, as well as modern engine development, are of major importance here. Sustainability and the environmental concept currently play a pivotal role. German Railways, or DB for example, is depicting itself as entirely modern and future-oriented for its 175th year anniversary. But with the restored reproduction of the legendary Adler, it is also possible to see the first German locomotive that was used as early as 1835 on the route between Nuremberg and Fürth. Bayerische Kabelwerke is only slightly younger but can already look back on 125 years of history. In addition to the origins and the history, however, it is clear that the signs of the time point more to high-tech and that rail transport is not only experiencing a renaissance, but has also arrived in the 21st century and is continually expanding its position. We can then look forward with anticipation to the next Innotrans in 2 years. After all, the innovation cycles with capital goods are becoming even shorter.